And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 344. We have 2 more tools and you can quick access them using the pen tool. You can see we've got the asterisk here because we've got a closed shape, which means we can create a new one. But when we hover over these nodes, a minus sign appears. And that means we can actually delete these corner points, these nodes. Just left click and they're gone one by one. We've got a clean canvas again. Let me do it once more. And this time I don't hover over the nodes, but over the lines. And you can see now we have a plus sign. And if we left click, this will actually add a node. You can also left click, hold, and then drag. And this will add a node with a curve. So the dragging allows you to adjust the handles right away. And there are specific tools for that. The delete and the add anchor point tools. They're right there where the pen tool is. P is the shortcut for the toolbox. If you activate the add anchor point tool, you can also left click. You've got it added. And then hover over that same anchor point again. And you will temporarily activate the direct selection tool. And then you can adjust that. Let us go over one more example. And here I use the pen tool first. I treat it like a regular star with 5 spikes. I close my shape. And now you can see we actually have rounded corners as spikes. So we need to find a solution for that. And one of the solutions would be to add anchor points right here. The first one, I left click on this line and then I use the direct selection tool and I drag it over here. The already existing one I put down there. And you can see that certainly helps. We'll do that for all corners. So first reposition, then we use the add anchor point tool. We add more anchor points. And you can already see I have to adjust it via the handles a little bit, even before I use the curvature pen tool here to finally get my spike curves. Once I've got that, I need the direct selection tool and then readjust the handles. We don't get perfect results because I wasn't that clean here. And what you can also see is this takes a little bit of time because now you have to adjust the handles once more. Let me do it again. And this time we simply use the method that I've already shown you the last couple of videos. So it's the pen tool. I go wherever there are straight lines. And when I have a curve, I simply create 2 outer corner or anchor points. Here, for the last one, I cannot see where I have to click. Doesn't matter, I go a little bit too far and then close my shape. Now I use the direct selection tool and reposition this single anchor point. Next step is to use the curvature pen tool and create the curve, just like this. And you can see we don't have any hassle here, any problems with the handles, so we don't have to adjust anything afterwards. Therefore, I think that the method that I've shown you in the last couple of videos is the better method. Here once more. So a simple rule, just follow your lines as long as they're straight, no problem with the pen tool, and when they're curved, just add 2 points where the curve begins and ends, and afterwards use the curvature pen tool and then fix these little rounded corners. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.